In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove image in Wix. Quick 2026 step-by-step tutorial. Let's begin by heading to Wix in your browser. When the dashboard opens, you'll see your sites and their management options. This is your control center, and it's where you choose which site you want to work on. Select the site where you want to remove an image. Once the site card opens, click Design Site to launch the Wix editor. Give it a moment to load. You'll land on the page canvas where you can see and edit your content. Now that you're in the site, move your mouse over the page. As you hover, you'll notice outlines and labels around different elements. Those visual cues tell you exactly what you're targeting, which is helpful when there are multiple layers or similar elements close together. Next, find the specific image you want to remove. Scroll through the page if needed, and take a second to confirm it's the right one. If several images look alike, pause your cursor and wait for the outline to appear around the image itself. You can also zoom in a bit for accuracy if the layout is dense. Once you've located it, point directly at the image and open the context menu with your mouse. On most computers, that's a right click. A small menu will pop up with actions relevant to the selected element, making it quick to handle common edits. From that menu, click Delete. The image will be removed from the page immediately. You'll see your layout adjust right away, either closing the gap or leaving space, depending on how that section was designed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Removing an image from the page doesn't erase it from your Wix media library. It only takes it off that specific page area. If you change your mind, use undo to bring it back instantly. If the image doesn't seem selectable, it may be part of a group, a gallery, or a locked element. In that case, make sure the image itself is highlighted or unlock the element first, then use the same right-click and delete action. Also, if your page uses overlapping layers, move your cursor slowly until the image outline appears so you don't accidentally target a nearby text box or button, and that's it. You've opened Wix, gone to your dashboard, chosen your site, entered the editor, hovered to reveal element outlines, located the image, right-clicked, and deleted it, watching the change happen instantly on the canvas. Nice and simple.